Alrighty, time to install this in my build. I just replaced the motherboard. Try to guess what card this is. It's a 4070. TI Super. Oh, look at this freaking beast! Wow. I mean, it's mostly just fans. Still. I have this thing on here. Cool. It's cool, the attachment for that. But I heard that if you put that on your like 4090 or maybe 4080, it can like burn or something. But this, I actually can't fit this. Because look. See, look, my radar is in the way. I can't do it. So I just put it at an angle. Boom. It's now in there. Let me just line up. Alright. It is now in there. Yay. See, look how, like, there's no space. I mean, yeah. Got 32 gigs. DDR4 RAM. And inside here is a Ryzen 7 5800X. I think that's how you say it, yeah. But now I just take this. That's it. 1 second. Put it back down real quick. Just slide in right. Yeah, that's right. And then next little bit. Kind of a hassle. There we go. But yeah. Oh yeah, I have this card right here. It's for more USB devices. There's one more slot. It's for more USB devices. Plus I dosed USB too. I have a crap ton of USBs over there. I just slide it in right there in that corner, the very top, not the bottom one, because this has more lanes. So yeah, let me just put my phone on because I can't do it with one hand. I mean, it blocks 80% of one of the fans. No, it's fine. Alrighty. So now in there, I just need to screw down these screws. There, there, and there. Shoot, let me just put my phone right there. I use this. Back. Where'd they go? Oh, it's right there. I use a ratchet screwdriver, which, and the bottom of it had more bits. Screws. Gonna start. This is the hardest one. Just one freaking hole is damaged a little bit. There we go. I use like beefier screws like these for the graphics card, since they're longer and I guess thicker on the head. Yeah, man. I just put my phone down a bit. Ah, shoot. Man. Just putting the graphics card and screw it down takes like 5 minutes or so. I thought it would take like 2 minutes. Just time flies. I mean, I'm getting the Linus Tech Tip screwdriver, but this is the one I have so far. Lift it up. Turn. But also you hold it down. Even faster. Bottom here. Some more bits. See? P6. But yeah. Final build. I have the Nokia fin right there and a Noctua fin right there, which blows air at this, shoots out. I'm waiting for another Noctua fan to replace this one, but not right now. This is a replacement. I have a NZXT 280 Elite water AIO right here. It's very large fans. Let's see like a. It's in on the way. Alright, that's it. Alright. But yeah, this is my build. Pretty lit. Back here is quite messy. I need to take all my equipment out of that bag. Put it right there. Also, I have a spare CPU. This is for that's an ITX build that I completely finished. I'm putting in a better CPU in. That has a 3080 in here, 10 gigabyte. But yeah, cool card he gave me. Anyway, see you later. Bye.